Hey sweeties, so today I made another DIY gift that is super cute and you can gift it to your husband or your wife or your girlfriend or your boyfriend, or you can gift it to your brother, mother, anyone like whom you love a lot. So these are the gifts that are budget friendly and they add an extra vibe to your gifts. So we always gift something that are market based, but these things they show effort, they show our effort, that how much we love that person. For someone we love, we do efforts, isn't it? So this is the one I am making for my husband, and it will look super cute, and it is a bit tricky if you are making anything related to the clay. It's very difficult to deal with the clay because it dries very quickly and the things doesn't get attached with it because of its drying property. So this will be a little messy, but it will turn out to be super cute. So this is how I will be doing it. Don't worry, I will be sanding it afterwards. If you don't have a sanding paper, then you should be very vigilant while drawing. I kept the patterns were a little irregular, but I knew that I will be sanding it later. You have to place glasses to take the measurement of the eyes, and this is how it will be ready. After it get dries, then we will be doing sanding on it with the sanding paper. So again, I'm telling you, it will be a little mess, but it will be worth it. So this is how it will be done. Next I will be starting coloring it. If you don't have a brown color, you can mix red, yellow, blue, and you have to just keep mixing. Then again red, yellow to make a brown color, but it will be a different brown. So because I wanted, it was a brownish pink color, so this shade I couldn't achieve it from brown. So this is how I will be making it. You have to follow the process and your color will turn out to be the way mine turned out to be. So this is the color I will be using, not too dark, not too light, but a very subtle color according to a male. If you are making it for a girl, you can use any color. Girls can go with any color, and my most favorite pink, girls are made for pinks. So guys, if you're watching my video till now, that means you're liking it and you want to make this for someone special as well. So if you don't want to make it as well, someday you will be making this, so because it's super cute. So guys, do subscribe my channel, do check out my last videos as well. I have made a lot of DIYs for your loved ones that look actually super cute, and they are really something that we can gift, because there are a lot of DIYs that are like DIY, but they are not that much good that we can gift it to someone. Like, we could make those DIYs for ourselves, but we can't gift it to someone because we know it's DIY. But these DIYs, they are really very cute. So I have made a lot of DIYs, and my more DIY series are also coming that you will be loving. So there will be like a friendship series as well, because for the girlies who want to gift someone to their friends but they want it to be budget friendly, then there would be something like for your husband as well, because these things are difficult to find. When I was in this phase, I used to search that what should I gift to my friends, but I couldn't find anything because at that time I didn't know about Pinterest. So on Pinterest as well, you just can't find those pictures. There are not the detailed videos like we have on YouTube. So guys, you should subscribe my channel if you want to know how to make these super cute things. I'm obsessed with these things. Like, see how cute. We can't find these things in the market as well. So guys, if you like my video, do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll meet you in the next video. Bye for today.